Hi, I'm Richard Neville and welcome to Learn Taiso. The first question you may have is, what is Taiso? Well, much like Tai Chi, where the Tai means body and Chi means energy, in this instance, Tai still means body, but the So means conditioning. These are body conditioning exercises, like old-fashioned calisthenic exercises. They are designed to help you become more functionally fit. Functional fitness is your ability to get off a chair, to pick something up off a high shelf, to pick something up off the ground, just to live your life a little bit better without those aches and pains that just seem to accompany getting older. So why haven't you heard of it? Because you don't live in Japan. This is a hugely popular exercise routine in Japan and the East. Over here in the West, we for some reason tend to focus more on really complex exercise routines that YouTubers keep peddling, promising you X, Y, and Z in only 5, 10, 50 minutes a day, blah, 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 blah. But we know they're rubbish, right? You may know they're rubbish without looking at them. You may have come here after trying some of them. That's how you know that they're rubbish. These exercises, they're not really modern. Some of them are really quite old. And that's how you can trust them. You can't always trust old things, but in terms of exercises, the ones that have survived the test of time tends to show that we haven't been able to come up with something better. That's why we're still using them. So there are 13 exercises, 13 being a lucky number in other cultures. But one of the exercises is repeated. So if you don't like the idea of 13, there's actually only 12 different exercises. We do them one after the other. We only do a couple of repetitions of each one. There's a couple where we do kind of 6 to 8 repetitions, but as you will see, they're not hugely complicated or difficult, so it's not going to feel like you're spending a lot of time doing them. And it's going to take 3 or 4 minutes. And as long as you do it every day consistently, or twice a day on the days that you want to, you will see improvement, you will feel better. Also for this, you do not need a smart watch, you do not need a smart ring, you do not need a smart speaker, you do not need fancy clothes. If you're doing this in the house, you could do it barefoot. In fact, I strongly suggest you do it barefoot. If you're doing it elsewhere, you would be wise to get yourself something like this, which is just a very flat kind of martial arts shoe, which will help you connect to the ground and improve your balance. But like I say, if you're doing it in your own home and you haven't got any equipment, you haven't got any workout clothes, do it naked. You know, there is no excuse for not doing these exercises. There is going to be another 2 series of exercises. One focuses a little bit more on strength. One focuses on seated versions. So there is literally no reason why you cannot do a version of Taiso. But this particular series, this is going to be the first set, which is normally marketed or normally talked about as for all ages and abilities. This is the type that people would do in offices, workplaces, as well as outdoors in Japan. You would be hard pushed to find somebody in Japan who didn't know how to do this routine off by heart. The videos are going to be quite quick, and the reason for that is on the website taiso.co.uk you will see the text and some diagrams to help you along. That's where I'll go into the whys and the wherefores and little changes you might like to make and little amendments you might like to do. But for these videos, these are just for you to be able to watch and go, okay, that's what he means, or for you to follow along if you want to. Ultimately though, I want this to be a routine where you download the PDF off the website, or you just bring up the web page either on your phone or on your tablet or whatever, and you look at the exercise and you go, yep, I know what that is, I remember it. It's that simple. And that way you'll be able to put on your own music if you want. Okay, so maybe you do need a smart speaker. You can put on your own music if you want, and just do the routine. And within the space of 1 or 2 of your favorite songs, you will have done your workout for the day. So that's enough me speaking here about nothing in particular. Let's get on with some actual Taiso.